Hey everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to download a source code from Lovable. So of course guys, firstly before you begin, create an account and of course create your first project. So I have my project in here, in my workspace, and I'm going to open it. And now guys, it's pretty simple from here. So as you can see on the left we have various commands and just everything that's pretty much happening within your project. And in here, whatever you're doing, for example, as you can see, when I just built and created this project, I generated it. It was actually building this website, creating the buttons, adding the background to it and stuff like that. As you can see, we have a create NASA blog page, and also you get a preview. And in here, you have this little button code. So this is actually the source code of your project, pretty much. So you just choose it, and you can view it on GitHub, and of course you also can download it for yourself as well. So you scroll down, and if you want to, for example, copy this code and save it, you can either do it from here, or you can just open in code editor like this, and just select all of the fields, copy it like this, and then you can just use this code wherever and however you prefer. And you can do the same with other segments of your code as well, of your project. So for example, add a webhook functionality, press on code, and here's your code right over here. So enjoy guys, this is how it's done. If this helped you out, you can support us with a like on the video, and of course subscribe, we greatly appreciate it.